It's my last pencil!
Try this.
It's a hippie van. It's a sharpener. It's a hippie van and a sharpener! It's amazing! Good as new! This was my last pencil. Now I can't finish my calculus homework. What am I gonna do?
Try this.
It's a happy van. Happy van? What is this? I have my pencil in it. What is this? It's sharp as my pencil. There's a hippie van that has a sharpener in it. That's just amazing. Now I can finish my calculus homework.